We are here at Galaxy's Edge at Savi's workshop to build a lightsaber, and the only signage is this banner on the wall. I highly suggest you come here first to grab your reservations. And lining up for your reservations, there's a lot of great, interesting stuff to look at and take pictures of. Before you get your reservations, you have to pay for your lightsaber first.
Which one they want. Every
So
time
you
they
leave
do
your
that,
receipt and
you hand them
put
your
your
current
pins on prior
reservation card
to entering the workshop.
along with
It'll be about
their
25
selection.
minutes if you want to like
Tell
hang
them
around the area.
they need to be wearing this above their heart so it's visible.
This one.
Yes.
A little closer look at your 4 choices.
Alright. Peace and justice. Elemental nature. And protection and defense. Do you know what you'd like to be building from?
Yes.
There you are.
Thank you. She'll have element and nature.
Elemental nature. Wonderful. There you
I'll
are.
have peace and justice.
Peace and justice. There you are.
I have my Peace and Justice builder card and pin. Now let's take a look at the parts. Elemental nature. Peace and justice. Protection and defense. And power and control. These are the 4 symbols that match up to your lightsaber and pin.
I truthfully wouldn't recommend leaving the area because at this rate, about 25 minutes from now. So 55 in the back, please. Thank you so much.
These are the trays that you get once you're inside the workshop. This is elemental nature that Sunny will be building. I chose peace and justice, but as you can tell, there's no justice since I have a piece missing. Just kidding. Thank you.
You got the touch today.
Let's go with that. You're staying with this one?
Yes.
Okay. And we're done here too.
It's heavy.
That'll be your activation right there.
Great.
Alright, builders, now we come to the final step. So, take a deep breath and activate. Raise your lightsabers. You have just created a lightsaber, like the Jedi and the Sith that have come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes one spark. Woo! Builders, please deactivate your lightsabers. The bonding is complete.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like your path, it can. Choose your path. Only you can.
We are pleased to present you with the saber sheath as you depart. Now, our time has come to an end, but your journeys are just beginning. It is time for you to make your marks on the galaxy, and perhaps one day, we'll be telling your story. As we say here on Batu, tell us fire! Tell us fire! Woo!
To get more on the specs, visit our blog as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.